Hey, welcome back to the channel here, Foxbody fans. Foxbody Shu 5.0 here with you guys, and just got the Mustang running here just a little bit just to get it warmed up. Gonna do a little bit of work on it here today, and let's go ahead and stay tuned to go ahead and see what we're gonna work on. But got a little bit of stuff that we're gonna go ahead and be doing to the front end, the suspension. If you guys have saw the unboxing video from LMR, you probably got an idea. If you haven't, I'll go ahead and I'll put the card right up here in the corner for you guys, and you can go ahead and check that out as well. We got lots of different parts that we're doing. Some have already been installed, some we're currently working on. If you check out the couple videos right before this, you'll see a couple things that we've got done to the vehicle already currently. So alright, so without any further ado guys, we're gonna go ahead and get at it. I'm gonna move the Mustang around here in the garage and get it set up and get it ready to go. So be back with you guys here soon. Alright guys, so here we are, we're back. I got the car moved over a little bit so it got a little bit of room on both sides to work. Getting ready to jack up the front end here, and this is what we're going to be tackling first right here. If you remember from parts unveiling, okay, this SVE box right here, this is the bump steer kit. Okay, so we're going to be tackling the bump steer kit here first. I'm going to get all the parts and everything laid out, get the car jacked up all the way in the air here on both sides, so that way we can go ahead and be able to have easy access and be able to get to the car. Got everything laid out here and we're gonna get going. So all right, I wanted to go ahead and just show you guys real quick what we're gonna go ahead and be tackling here today. All right, so actually it's probably gonna be a couple quick update here for you to let you kind of see where I'm at. So got the tires off, as you guys can see here, okay, and working on the tie rod here. Okay, the old tie rod. Already pulled the cotter pin out. Already took off the nut on top, which is a 19mm nut. I took that off with a deep well socket. Okay, and now just kind of trying to work this out and get it out of the spindle here. So once I go ahead and do that, I'll be back with you here guys and give you another update. Hey guys, back with you here on the next day, as you guys can tell by my clothes. But I had to go ahead and go get a tie rod separator, or ball joint separator as well. I could not go ahead and break it loose, and being one that's a first time guy at doing this, I mean, I've watched videos, I kind of, you know, had an idea what I had to do, but till really getting into it, I was unsure of what to go ahead and do. And so I went to Harbor Freight, 10 bucks right there, and you guys can see the result. Finally have it out right there. Okay, and on the other side there's light here, so you probably can see it better, but right there, finally have it out. So you know, the tie rod separator, or pickle fork if you want to call it, as a lot of people used to call it, worked well, and for 10 bucks got the job done, and I can clean it up. Now I do know, I mean, other guys have said the pickle forks are not ideal for tie rods that you want to reuse. Okay, if you're going to reuse your tie rod ends, and you're not putting a bump steer kit or something like that in, like we're doing today to the Fox, I would definitely suggest not going with the pickle fork. Get a, you know, separator, or they have, you know, for another 10 bucks, they actually have a separator you can go ahead and get. But for me, I'm not reusing the end links, so I'm putting a bump steer kit in. So alright, I thought I'd just bring an update to you guys today. Hey guys, just back here with an update for you. So I was able to go ahead and get this one on right here, as you guys can see. Alright, but I'm gonna set up a time lapse for the other side, because I have to go ahead and I don't know why, but I had to go ahead and do it a different way than what directions show. also, you know, from a couple of the videos. There was one video that I saw out there, and it gave me an idea. So I actually had to go ahead and pull this back out right here, put it on to the bump steer end, and then put it up through and go ahead and kind of level everything from there. So I don't know why, but I couldn't get it just by tightening this down first and then sliding this up through. It just wasn't working for me. So I'm gonna set it up time lapse on the other side so you guys can see how I got it here and how I do it, and if it helps you guys out, great. I'm glad that I could go ahead and help you guys out. So this is just what worked for me. For some reason I couldn't get it to go on any other way. So alright, so I'll set up a time lapse for you guys, and I'll see you when we're done. Alright guys, there we got it. Okay, completely done, installed on both sides. Just remember, this needs to be torqued down to 40 foot-pounds on the top, okay, and on the bottom this needs to be torqued down to specs of 50 foot-pounds. Okay, but other than that, until I go ahead and go get my alignment and get the new tires on and everything, this is a wrap on installing the bump steer. Overall, a little bit more difficult than what I thought it would be, but it's going to be rewarding, just as all this stuff is every single time. So, all right. So, I'll go ahead and I'll be back with you here, and we're gonna wrap up the video. All right, guys. So overall, to go ahead and kind of wrap up on the SVE bump steer kit here. Again, this is the first time I've ever done anything like this, guys. I'm a novelist. You know, I like to try to pride myself in accomplishing things and getting things done myself. So this one was, you know, a first for me. But thanks again to the help of the Foxbody community and watching you guys do some things. You know, LMR, their videos, you know, I was able to get through it. And, you know, again, it's one of those proud things that you can say you've done a lot of the things on your Mustang and on your Foxbody yourself. You know, and it just is another one of those that allows me to say that. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. You're able to get a little bit out of it, and if nothing else, just be entertained by me trying to get this done for the first time ever. So, but please guys, go ahead and like, subscribe, share, alright, and then also hit that bell so you can go ahead and get the latest and greatest content that's available. Alright, until next time guys, we'll talk to you soon. This has been Foxbody Shu 5.0.